Greetings, fruit servers. After commenting on many of Eric's videos, I finally got picked for a snack pack. So let's get this bad boy unboxed and let's see what's in it. So it came by boat, so it took a little while. I must admit I got impatient and I was like, hey, do you have a tracking number? He's like, there's no tracking number. It's being sent by a boat. So I'm like, okay, that's cool. It hasn't been 2 months yet. I got it, but then I'm just like, I've been really busy. So now I have a time to sit down and unbox this for you all. So let's see what's been sent to me. It's just a box wrapped in paper. Let's see what we got. Get some! Nice. That's cool. So it's like a Tupperware thing, like the Ziploc storage bags we get here in the States, or storage containers we get here in the States. I don't know. Let's see what we got. Uh-oh. I don't know if this is private or not. If possible, please make a video reviewing some of the snacks in the box. Message me with the link to your video. I really appreciate your help with this. Eric, contact me here. His email. I think we're doing that right now, Eric. So, Bourbon Choco Brownie. That looks interesting. Rice crackers, I bet. These are a fun snack. Koala Choco? I speak Japanese badly, and I'm illiterate, so yeah. Boku wa Nihongo wa warui desu. Oh, pistachio cookies. I love pistachios. I love pistachio cookies. That's upside down. Chocolate mushrooms? I don't know. The extent of my Japanese snack knowledge is pocky. More of the mushrooms. At least they look like mushrooms to me. Choco pie, chocolate coated vanilla cream sandwich pie. I'm a diabetic. I'm going to need so much insulin for this. These, I don't know what these are. They're like sandwich cracker things. I don't know. Okay, I've seen Eric eat these, and its name escapes me right now. Koala Cookies, I guess. Fujiya Home Pie. Feel like cookies. Oh, yeah, it's the corn potato snack thing, I think. Brits. I guess they're pretzels. Oh yeah, I've seen him score these many. He'll like clean out vending machines to get these things. Of all the stuff so far, this is the one I'm like most pumped to try. This is cool. More. You jerk. This freaked me out. Put a rubber roach in the snack pack. And I kind of freaked out a bit there. That's funny. More rice crackers, it seems. I'll just leave him where I found him. Ooh, a Kitkat. I've always been curious about Japanese Kitkats. That'll be fun. Rich milk. Are these like milk covered cookies? Again, I'm illiterate. I don't know what that says. More Kitkat. Ah! I was just talking about Pocky. There we go, Pocky. And what looks like more rice cracker. Oh, it's fish. That'll be interesting. Alright. That is one Ericsurf6 Get Some snack pack. Thank you, Eric. Well, now get ready for in continuity, because I am not going to eat all of this in one sitting. Well, let's see. Let's try something. I'm definitely not going to eat all of this right now. Let's try the one thing I wanted to try. The burgers. Again, illiterate. Don't know what that says. This is a find the difference game, I guess. Yeah, okay. I remember when they used to have those in newspapers. I liked playing that as a kid. They're little burger cookies, it seems. Smell good. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Those are good. I like them. I have another. crunchy, chocolatey, and like not like that sickly sweet American chocolate. This is like, it's actually good chocolate. Get back in there. Please stand by for technical difficulties. Alright, let's try one more thing, because I'm not going to get through all of this in one sitting. But I promise an unboxing and at least trying some of the stuff, so we're gonna go Kitkat. Just had an idea. White hinata while basking in the sun. Come on, Google. While basking in the sun, reading break. The sweetness of adults. Ate while facing, riding the break. Request one blur. While basking in the sun. Adult sweetness. The sweetness of adults. Google Translate, you suck. Enough goofing off. Let's try the Kitkat. Ooh, green. It's gonna be matcha. My palate is not that sophisticated. It's like straw. I'm not offended by it. It tastes like straw. I can't place the taste, but I'm not offended. I like it. So, Eric, tomo arigato. This is a nice spread. I appreciate it. Thank you for the videos you make. You keep me entertained on a regular basis, and I appreciate that. And as I said before, thank you for the goods you sent me.